Hey, my name is Zig. I'm a certified personal trainer and a bodybuilder. I'm going to be sharing with you how to fix your muscle up in less than 2 minutes. First, make sure you are able to hang on the bar. You want to time yourself between 30 to 60 seconds and just hold on to the bar. That's the first steps. And one that is comfortable, you want to move to swinging your body on the bar, which means you want to create some momentum to help you move your body above the pull-up bar. All right, once that is comfortable, then you want to start doing pull-ups. I would ideally advise to do between 10 to 12 reps for 3 to 4 sets. Then when that is comfortable, you want to move to my fourth level, which is going to be holding your pull-up reps at the end of your set. So if you do 10 reps, you want to hold for 2 or 3 seconds at the end of your 10th rep. Why is this important? This is going to help you to create time under tension. You can also do a different version of this by just doing weighted pull-up. But if you're someone that doesn't want to put that much stress on your shoulders, you can just hold the reps at the end of your set. And then lastly, my favorite part is just making all these 4 things come together. Like jumping on the bar, swinging your body slightly, bringing your knee to your chest, and then doing the perfect muscle ups. I hope this is helpful. Subscribe for more. Let's get it to you.